Hello, good evening. I am Winston and I am on live right now. So, for those of you who are watching, really want to say thank you. I know all of you are stuck at home. I know it's not a good time to go out, but nonetheless, staying home is the safest choice right now because we need to flatten the curve. So, what does flatten the curve means? It is to you see right now there is this curve or this uptrend of the virus, and we are just waiting for the curve to flatten or to have a downward turn. So in Malaysia, we're expected for the virus to peak in the middle of this month. So let's pray and hope that it will be over soon. In the meantime, we as citizens, or we staying at home is the best choice. And right now, since you're watching this, I want to share some tips on how to reduce joint pain, because unfortunately, due to the MCO or the movement control order, we are not allowed to operate. We're not because ours is under alternative therapy. We are not allowed to operate because we don't fall under essential services. And well, that's too bad. It's unfortunate, but I think, like what I mentioned earlier, staying at home is the best choice right now. And some of you have been calling in, some of you have been messaging, are we open? Can we visit you in the home? Do we have any home service? So sorry. We really wish we can go out to you to treat, but we are not allowed to. But guess what? I have some tips for you. For those of you who are having joint pains at home, here are some tips for you to reduce some of these pains. So last week, I just want to share a case with you. We have one incident whereby a patient, no, you're not a patient because you didn't come to the center. Oh, we have an inquiry. The son fell down. So what I did was I shot a short video of how to do some relief. So for those of you having shoulder pain example, so for those of you having shoulder pain, I think one of the best ways or one of the best options is, if you're having shoulder pain, you can do some stretching, okay? Because we always believe that movement of your joint helps to improve circulation, it helps to reduce stiffness. So for shoulder pain, stretching like this, okay, stretching like this, or like this, or even like this, okay, stretching your shoulder, okay, but remember not to flick, not to jerk your shoulder, okay. Even simple exercises like this might even help to reduce shoulder stiffness, okay. Stretching, okay, movement like this or like this. Remember, no jerking, all right, no jerking, just smooth movement, stretching, all right, stretching, okay. This might help to reduce joint pain on the shoulder. And how about back pain? So yes, this is a very a common pain that we do treat for patients. So having back pain, a very good form of doing this is, okay, for stretching the back, it is best to be done not in the morning, any part of the day, in the afternoon or evening or before sleeping. That would be best, because we do have cases whereby in the morning, patients do tend to sprain their joints easier in the morning. This reason is because most people, when they wake up, your body can be a bit stiff, circulation is a bit slow because you just awaken from your slumber. So wait for your body to be a bit warm, I think best is to do it in the middle of the day or before you sleep. So for joint pain at the back, okay, a very simple way, okay, knee at the edge of your bed. Okay, and then you just lie down. Yes. Oh, wait. Yeah. Okay. And then, okay. Again, I'm gonna show you. Okay. Knee at the edge of the bed. Okay, just lie down like this. Okay. And then hands over your head. You can stretch like this. Okay. You can do this for like half a minute or a minute, and then you rest for a while, and then you can stretch again. Yes. And then at the same time, you can also do like this. Okay. You can do like this. Okay. You can also do like this. Okay, I'm showing you again. So this will be good to take off the pressure off from your back, especially your lower back. Okay, there's also another way of doing stretching for your lower back. Okay. Pull it up as high as you could up to your chest. Okay. Okay, so that's some of the tips for you to do stretching at home to reduce joint pain for your shoulder and for your back. And times like this, since you're stuck at home, I would want to advise you can do some exercise. You can do some light exercises at home. Keep your body moving, because from one of my mentors, he said that movement is medicine. Okay, why? Because in most cases, when a person is inactive, or a person is exercising less, moving less, you tend to have stiffness in your joints. All right, so movement, exercise, that's a very best form of keeping your joint mobile, keeping your joint smooth, keeping your joint flexible. So I'm gonna share some exercises, tips that you can do at home. Okay, so a very good simple exercise would be squats. All right, so for squats, okay, so for squats we can do a half squat like this. Okay, or if you can do a full squat like this. Okay, so half squat and full squat. Okay, so squatting helps to build up muscle in your thigh. It can help to build up muscle at your buttock, okay, your bum, thigh. It can also help to strengthen your lower back as well. And at the same time, it helps your knee to be more flexible. So half squat or full squats. Okay. Again, I show you half squat, full squat. Okay. For those of you who are still not able to do exercise fully, you can get a support like this. Okay, find a place to support your hand. You can do half squat, and once you get more strength, you can do a full squat. Okay, so that is number one. Number one exercise you can do at home is squats, like I mentioned. Okay, number two. So let's increase the level. Let's level up. Okay, so this will be good for upper body. Okay, we can do push-ups. Okay, so for push-ups we have two variations of push-up. Okay, So the standard push-up would be like this. Okay. Hands straight, body straight. Okay, not like this, not too high either. Okay, go down and up. Go down and up. Okay, so that is for you who can able to do push-ups. And if you're not able to do push-up, a full standard push-up like that, you can do like this. Okay, use your knee. Okay, and down and up and down and up and down and up. So for push-ups, the difficulty is slightly higher, but it's good nonetheless because it helps to build up your tricep, helps to build your shoulder, it helps to build your chest as well. So this would be good. Okay, push-ups. And the third one, okay, so the third and the last exercise tips I want to share with you is doing sit-ups. So sit-ups is one of the most, I think one of the most common exercise that people would do at home. Even if you don't know, it's okay, I'm here to teach you. Okay, let's start off with the simplest variation of sit-ups. Okay, feet flat on the floor on the bed. Okay, hand supporting your head. Okay, we can do like this. So this is what we call a crunch. Up, down, up, down, and up, and down. Okay, notice my movement. I'm engaging my muscle, my ab muscles, my abdominal muscles. Up, down. I'm not actually using my hand to push my neck up. Okay, I'm merely using it, okay, just to do a slight support of my head. Just up and down, up and down. Okay, once you build up the once you build the strength, you can do like this. You can also do like this. Up and down, up and down. And once your strength even gets better, you can do like this. Up and down. And up and down. And up again. Okay. So that's the classic sit-up. Of course, there's also another method of doing sit-up. You can also do like this, hand behind your head. Okay, leg up, you call it a leg raise, down and up and down and up and down and up and down. Okay, so the earlier type of sit-ups I did mainly builds up your upper abdominal muscles. The ones I just showed you recently, like this. Okay, this helps to build up your lower abdominal muscles. So as you can see, just from a simple bed or maybe an exercising mat or yoga mat or just a floor, you can do many variations of exercise at home. And those 3 variations of exercises I showed you just now, those are really basic ones: squat, push-ups and sit-ups. This one you can always do at home. Doesn't matter you are young or old, you can always start from something simple. You can do it middle of the day, just before you sleep. You can spend a few minutes, you can spend half an hour, you can even spend 1 hour. Okay, most important is to get your body moving, because by getting your body moving, as I mentioned earlier, it helps to build up strength, it helps to reduce stiffness, helps to improve flexibility of the joints, because as I mentioned earlier, movement is medicine, or exercise is a form of medicine. And If you have any inquiries, please feel free to leave us a comment, like our page, share our page, and if you have any inquiries, feel free to WhatsApp us. You can call us even. We are still answering calls even during the lockdown, no problem. And until next time, I will see you again. Thank you so much for watching. Share out this video. And I'm Winston from CLM, and I'm very, very glad to be doing this. And remember, please stay at home, get your body moving. Okay, remember stretching. Okay, just to recap, stretching. All right, stretching to reduce stiffness of your joints. That will also help to reduce pain in your joints. Exercising, remember. Okay, so do this at home. You might help to cut down the pain in your joints. You help to improve your strength of your joints by doing exercises. And I'm Winston. Thank you for watching.